Hey there viewers, welcome back to Bestie. Strong immunity is the need of the hour. With the world turning their attention towards healthy eating and regular exercising, watching what you drink is just as crucial. It's important to distinguish between the good beverages and the bad ones. Every restaurant, coffee shop, or supermarket is loaded with a variety of them. It can get confusing to pick the right beverage for your health. Some drinks are amazing for you, while others may cause more harm than good. Is kombucha good? What about coconut water? No more chocolate milk? Not good old Sunny D. Today we'll talk about the best and worst drinks for your health. Let's begin with the worst drinks. Number 1. Diet soda. What do artificial sweeteners, coloring, and flame retardants have in common? They're all in your favorite fizzy soda. These carbonated drinks are responsible for widespread obesity in America. Low in satiety, loaded with gross amounts of sugar and zero nutritional value, diet soda is a no-go for a healthy lifestyle. It's responsible for causing breakouts and headaches induced by excessive sugar and lower bone density. Did you know that diet soda drinkers also have a higher chance of being diagnosed with depression? Along with wreaking havoc on gut health, it can also trigger diabetes and hypertension. Don't get fooled by diet. It is just as bad as regular soda, or maybe worse. What healthy option do you swap your diet soda for? Tell us about it in the comments below. Number 2. Packaged fruit juice. Does going for that packaged orange juice box make you feel healthier than drinking soda? Newsflash, these fruit juices are alarmingly high in fructose and low in fiber that leads to a spike in blood sugar. So if you think it's healthy, we're sorry to say it's not. When compared with Coca-Cola, packaged apple juice contains more calories. Liquid calories are highly fattening, more than fat-causing foods. The high sugar levels will also cause tooth and enamel erosion. Say goodbye to those pearly whites. If you do want to have a glass of refreshing juice, then choose freshly squeezed whenever possible. Number 3. Supersized coffee. Coffee in itself is not a great choice of drink for anyone. Drinking small amounts is still acceptable, but after a point, this simple cup of joe is not good for you. When drunk in excess, it can cause an increase in anxiety and erratic sleeping patterns. A large cup of coffee will also cause a serious raise in blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, then swapping your regular coffee order with a decaf will be the best option for you. Over time, drinking these massive cups of coffee will mess up the normal functioning of the stomach. Number 4. Caffeinated alcohol. What does a rum and coke, Jager bomb, and Irish coffee all have in common? They're all known as caffeinated alcoholic drinks. Alcohol and caffeine are two ingredients that should never be mixed together. The combination of alcohol with energy drink chasers has become popular among the youth. Mixing these two allows caffeine to mask the depressant effects the alcohol brings out. This makes drinkers feel more alert than they normally would while drinking alcohol, which could result in them drinking more than the normal amount and become more impaired in judgment overall. Number 5. Bubble tea. Over the last couple years, bubble tea, commonly known as boba tea, has exploded as a trend among internet foodies. It's made using milk, sugar, tea, and tapioca pearls, which are the bubbles in the bottom of the drink. These starchy carbs have little to no nutritional value. Cooking these tapioca balls makes things even worse. Just 1/4 cup of cooked tapioca balls contains as much as 160 calories. When paired with sugary syrup and other processed ingredients, it's not one of the healthiest drinks around. Have it in moderation or consider switching to healthier alternatives. Number 6. Vitamin-enhanced water. Heavily marketed as a healthy drink, vitamin-enhanced water is said to contain added essential minerals and vitamins. Although the name indicates that it is healthy, vitamin water is loaded with tons of added artificial sugar. Did you know that it contains almost the same amount of sugar as a can of Coca-Cola? This is because the form of sugar present in this type of water is pure fructose, while soda contains half the sugar content. Adding vitamin-enhanced water to your weight loss journey may be counterproductive due to the high sugar content. Number 7. Tomato juice. Tomato is one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet. It's also a convenient way of adding nutrient-dense food to your diet. Loaded with antioxidants and vital minerals, they have some amazing health benefits, including heart health. Although impressively nutritious, tomato juice does have some downsides. Products containing tomato juice or packaged tomato juice are loaded heavily with sodium. High sodium foods and drinks lead to high blood pressure. This may also not be suitable for people who are salt sensitive or have acid reflux. It's best to choose pure, 100% tomato juice with no added sugar or salt. Now onto the best drinks for your health. Number 1. Filtered coffee. Coffee can be a healthy drink, especially filtered coffee. It is said that drinking it is much better than not drinking coffee at all. It promotes heart health and lowers blood pressure. This is because filtered coffee removes the oily content present in coffee that causes cholesterol levels to spike. Dressing up your coffee with sugar, creamer, and milk eliminates all the positive effects that a filter or black coffee has. Coffee drinks like frappuccinos and other fancy ones accelerate weight gain by adding calories and increasing the risk of cardiac disease. Swapping your regular coffee with filter coffee will be the right choice. Are you a coffee lover? Wondering what drinking coffee every day does to your body? Check out this video and learn all about it. Are you able to quit this habit? Now back to the best and worst drinks for your health. Number 2. Fresh coconut water. You can never go wrong with coconut water, the ultimate thirst quencher. It's loaded with essential nutrients and minerals whose lists of benefits go on and on. Packed with the goodness of natural potassium, vitamin C, calcium, and manganese, having just 1 glass of fresh coconut water will help with heart protection. If it's smooth and glowing skin you're after, then this is one drink that should be included every day. The antioxidants present in it can help you get rid of all those free radicals that cause harm. Number 3. Red wine. Love red wine? We have good news for you. Ever since the ancient ages, the benefits of this drink have been applauded. Drinking it has been linked with lowering hypertension and heart-related issues. This doesn't make drinking a bottle a day okay. Drinking red wine, in moderation, is a great way to regulate blood sugar and, in some cases, even treat the common cold. It's loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and lipid-regulating elements. Excess alcohol is always harmful, so be sure to limit red wine to 1 glass for women and 2 glasses for men. Number 4. Kombucha. Originating from China, kombucha has turned into a trend for its medicinal properties and health values. In simple terms, it's a fermented drink that's created by adding yeast and bacteria into a mixture of black or green tea. For many, it may sound sketchy, but this mildly fizzy and slightly sour drink is filled with probiotics. It also contains the goodness of essential vitamins and minerals, ranging from vitamins C and B to B1, B6, and B12. Drinking it also protects the body from free radicals because of the high antioxidant content, while giving your metabolism a jump start. Number 5. Lemon water. Nobody can go wrong with lemon water. A few slices of lemon or its freshly squeezed juice not only enhances the taste of plain old water, but also adds some amazing health benefits. Along with promoting hydration, it's also a great source of vitamin C. Drinking it regularly, especially in the morning, reduces the risk of developing wrinkles and makes the skin look healthy. A specific type of antioxidant found in lemon water helps in limiting weight gain, the possibility of developing stroke, and lowers blood pressure. Number 6. Pomegranate juice. The health and skin benefits of pomegranate juice can go on and on. Along with being delicious, it's packed to the brim with antioxidants. If you've been feeling a little forgetful these days, then you should try drinking a cup of pomegranate juice every day. There are special elements called polyphenols present in this juice that improve memory. Feel free to combine your flavors and prepare a pomegranate smoothie. It has the capacity to improve gut health by reducing inflammation as well. Traditionally, it has been used as a remedy for diabetes. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a hydrating, healthy drink. It contains natural antioxidants called catechins. Not only a morning beverage used to increase alertness, it's also known for improving brain functioning. This includes improvement of mood, vigilance, and reaction time. Along with lowering the risk of developing diabetes, green tea also helps in preventing the development of cardiovascular disease. If weight loss is the goal, then drinking it will give your metabolism a major boost. Swapping your regular cup of joe with this healthy beverage is also a great way of starting your day on a lighter and more refreshing note. Which healthy drinks were you drinking already? Which ones are you happy to give up? Let us know in the comments below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.